The birth certificate.
Come on. Show me my bed. Where's my bed?
Citizenship. And your passport.
Where's the car bed?
You know.
Come on, Bibi. Show me the car bed, Bibi. Leo is not into it.
Follow me, Leo.
Okay. Still works though.
Come on, Leo. Come on up.
Uh-oh. Hey, Princess. How are you today?
Good.
Good, huh? Let me see your loose tooth. The loose one.
Yeah. Leo, get up. Come on. Wait, Pi. Are you taking a video?
Yeah.
Turn it off.
Stop it. Hey, Leo, you like your bed?
No.
No? Can we...
Jump. Woo! Okay, come on. Let's do that again. Let's do that again. Ready? Set. Jump! Let's do that.
Open the trunk, baby. Open the trunk.
Trunk! Wait, the trunk can open? Oh.
No, here.
No, this is the front. That's not the trunk. Do that again.
Come on, Leo.
Open up. Open up.
Open it up again.
Yeah, baby, look at all these toys.
Oh my God.
Look at all of them. Look. Yeah, baby, yeah.
Hey, monstrinho.
Mom, can we play now? Ready? Go.
Hey, Leo.
Go.
Hey, Leo. Vem aqui na sua cama nova. Vem aqui na sua cama nova. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.